Okay. And so when did it start hurting here recently?
Mid-July.
Mid-July. And this is September the 24th, right? Okay. So did you have an event? Did you fall? Did you climb a ladder? Did you throw some hay bales?
No, probably just working out, lifting the weights.
Okay, yeah, that's right. You do like CrossFit or something?
No,
What do you do?
I just lift weights.
You just lift weights?
Monday, it's every other day. It's leg day or arm day.
Now, are you lifting weights for a purpose, or is it just for you think you're strong? You
No,
already threatened to beat me up.
Just part of the workout plan. My husband and I, we lost about 30 pounds, mostly via cardio, but at the same time we started weight training too.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Being over the 50 mark, I know it's
Oh
good for the osteo.
Oh my, yes, that's what I was getting to. So
You wanted to ask me how old am I?
No, what I wanted to do is I wanted to find out, were you aware of the fact that doing weight-bearing exercise is important for your bones? Did you know that?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
all right.
Our trainer told us.
You have a trainer.
Well, they run the gym, and they're just always there wandering around. So
Can you sit up straight and tall for me?
this is it.
That's it. That's.
I'm little.
Yeah, but I need to be able to get to your shoulder. Can you lean forward just a little bit? There you go. All right. So what I want is, Tony G, would you look through the camera? She's moving all over the place.
You're in the wrong spot.
He told me to lean.
It's you can.
How do I even do
You know
it?
what? You can just like aim it like toward me here or something.
So you hit it.
I'm gonna actually move the whole camera. Everybody don't move. Gummy Jean, stay right where you are. And here goes the whole camera.
Gummy Jean.
Gummy Jean.
Excuse me.
You really do have some allergy issues,
I
don't
do.
you? I thought you were making that all up.
No, I'm really kind of toward the end of it, but I'm just tired of it.
Okay. So you're not wearing enough sunscreen when you go out. I can tell that because your workout lines from your
That's from riding the bike.
spandex or something,
That was part of the cardio. 16
or
miles.
lycra. What do you wear these days when you're exercising?
I don't know, whatever the sports bra is.
Okay, so all right. So really, what we want you to do is kind of sit up straight and tall, right? There you go. Perfect. Good. So we're looking at the spine of the scapula here for our landmarks. Okay. So when you go, are you able to raise your arm up, just so everybody can see?
What?
You can raise your arm up. Yeah, you can do that. Good. Does it hurt when you do that?
No, it will hurt more if I come down too quickly with a weight.
Ah, so when you're pulling down.
Correct.
All right. How about when you reach around back to get the belt loop?
Limited, but not bad.
Okay, so
Right
you do
there
have,
to the front.
so you do have full range of movement. We would say that, but you have some tenderness. You have some pain, right?
Correct.
Does
If
that
I
hurt?
lift to the side with weight, I cannot.
So I'm not necessarily telling you that I think the cortisone shot is the best thing for your shoulder here, but I'm also not going to tell you that I don't think it couldn't help you a little bit. Okay, so what you have to remember is that the cortisone, this is just a little dimple I'm making here. The cortisone is going to take the pain away, all right? If you get too aggressive with your weights, you can actually cause some serious damage to your shoulder, so you're going to have to take it easy.
Yay.
You promise to take it easy?
Yes.
All right,
I've reduced the weight on that shoulder
good.
for a month.
Another thing that I like to recommend is that you don't go past 90 degrees when you're lifting.
Okay.
Do you know what that means?
Don't go higher than here.
Yeah, like if you start from down here and you raise up, stop at 90 degrees. If you start halfway at 90 degrees and then go up, you go up to 180, but you don't go past 90 degrees in any movement. Does that make any sense at all?
No, not right now.
Not really, okay.
You can give me a visual later.
So if you start, all right, look.
I'm concentrating on the needle not going into
No,
my
the needle's
shoulder.
not there. So if you start here with a weight, then just go all the way there.
Okay.
That's a 90-degree movement,
Okay.
right? All right, and if you start down here, then go up to 90. Or if you're going to start down there and do a lift, go to 90.
Okay.
All right, don't start down there and go all the way up. See what happens? Hurt yourself.
Not your hand,
Like
your
that.
shoulder.
All right. So we're going to give you a little shot. Gummy Jean's going to spray the ethyl chloride.
Oh!
It's a little chilly, I
Lovely.
know. Good. And a little stick. Nice.
Yeah, that's when it goes
Easy
in.
does it. There
Oh,
we go.
Lord.
And a little stick.
Good times.
Good times. Medicine goes in. Now tonight, about an hour before you go to bed, I want you to ice your shoulder. Do it for about 20 minutes. Okay?
You got it.
And tomorrow it should feel a lot better. And just remember to take it easy, okay? All right. gonna, put a bandage on there. Shell, thanks so much for sharing your little injection story with us. And let me have an opportunity to talk to people about exercising and doing shoulder exercises, not going past that 90 degrees, and making sure that if you exercise with a trainer, that you get your trainer to show you how to do that stuff the right way, okay?
You got it.
And thanks for being snarky.
He's sassy.
She was snarky.
I'm sassy.
Sometimes you need it.
Sometimes, yeah. All right,
Thank you, Jill.
later.
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.
Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta 7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, well, for 1 month, actually.
And
And I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta 7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta 7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.